Do you want to create your own embroidery designs? Maybe you've even purchased embroidery software with the intent of learning how to create your own designs, but quickly got overwhelmed and gave up. Hi, I'm John Deere, the world's most awarded embroidery digitizer and owner of Digitizing Made Easy. One of the things that I've found most shocking in the home embroidery industry is the lack of good digitizing education that's available. Most software brands do very little in providing what I consider quality education to their customers. To address this issue, I'm personally going to be hosting and teaching a select number of 2-day hands-on digitizing dream workshops. These workshops will focus on teaching you the age-old theory behind creating your own embroidery designs that my Shiffley mentor taught me over 30 years ago when I first apprenticed to become a Shiffley master myself. As many of you know, I'm one of the last 2 Shiffley Master digitizers still alive and teaching in North America, and I see it as my responsibility to help teach and train the next generation of embroidery digitizers. Knowing how to use your software is important, but more important is knowing the age-old theory behind creating beautiful, soft embroidery designs. I've taught well over 10,000 people how to digitize, and with over 20 years of teaching experience, the one thing that I've found that's better than anything else is seeing and doing. It's one thing to sit down and have somebody explain the process. It's a completely different thing to experience it if you're interactively participating in a hands-on workshop. You're actually digitizing and seeing the results. You'll be amazed at what you learn in just 2 days at our workshop. I'll give you the foundation you need to propel yourself and your embroidery forward. Within this 2-day workshop, you'll digitize 3 designs completely by yourself, which will cover all 3 stitch types and all of the rules that are incorporated around them. Our digitizing workshops will set you on a path for success, not frustration. Our current 2-day curriculum encompasses over 2 decades of development and fine-tuning, so once you've finished this course, you'll be able to apply everything you've learned to your own digitizing program. So I'd like to invite you to come join us at one of our upcoming Digitizing Dream workshops. Be sure to sign up today and get the early bird discount, because historically our classes do fill up quickly. I hope to see you there and help you take your embroidery to the next level.